Installing WordPress from cPanel. Things needed to do this. Domain. Hosting. Domain link to hosting. Use cPanel login details. I created a subdomain. wp.ethiontech.com.ng for this tutorial. Login to cPanel. Scroll down to Softaculous App Installer and click on WordPress. Click on Install Now and install WordPress on our domain. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on from the listed domains on your hosting account. Then copy the password provided for the admin credentials. And click Install. As you can see, WordPress has been installed successfully. Now let's visit the website and admin dashboard. Here is the admin dashboard and the menus. Let's visit some pages on it. Now let's log out and log in back with the credentials provided during the installation. And that is all about installing WordPress from cPanel. I hope you find it interested. Please like and follow this channel for more tutorial about WordPress development.